Leader Martha Karua has intensified pressure on President William Ruto's administration, arguing that its political stability is increasingly uncertain without the involvement of former opposition leader Raila Odinga, who passed away last month. Karua suggests that the absence of Odinga from the political equation has exposed weaknesses within the government, leaving it vulnerable to internal strain and public discontent. She linked the government's fragility to rising economic hardship, growing public protest, and what she described as declining confidence in leadership. According to Karua, Odinga's previous engagement in national dialogue and political destabilization had played a significant role in cushioning the country from deeper political crisis, a factor she believes is now missing. Government allies have downplayed the claims, insisting that the administration remains firmly in control. However, the debate underscores continuing uncertainty about political quotient and sustainability as Kenya navigates a pilot period ahead of the next election cycle.